Yeah.
All I need is 6 sticks of dynamite. And I can blow Jackie up. 2 more. Also, guys, don't forget, if you haven't shared this video yet, we may be giving away some more holiday cash tonight. BOD said he's feeling generous with my money. Ooh, there we go. Finally something, 175 bucks. Come on, machine. But you can't win unless you've shared tonight's video. Come on. Alright. Eureka! Yes!
Eureka!
Lucky Dave.
Get it.
From Slots and Steak.
Come on.
Thank you, bro.
Push the start button.
Get it. Come on, Dave.
Play.
Yep.
Lisa and Dudley say they enjoy watching me and Jackie. Thank you guys for watching us. The most sweet triggers I ever got on this game was 2 for 36 free spins. Well, that was a good start. I'll take $150 any spin.
You're awesome, Scott.
All right, we need some dynamite, Dave.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm changing your name to Dynamite Dave.
Thank
Dynamite.
you.
Dynamite Dave.
like that.
That's gonna be your stage name when you're stripping.
My best friend in the whole world. So are you.
Imagine Mike was already taken, but not Dynamite Dave.
Okay, well, thank you.
Oh, so close to a retrigger.
Come on. Jinx.
Come on, good ones. All gold. There we go. There we go. Lots of gold.
Come on.
One-hit wonder machine. We need something good here.
Go, go.
I want dynamite. There we go. 445. Okay, there we go. Some gold. 630. One more good one. 3 dynamite. All right. 630. We'll take that. We will take it. At least we got the bonus.
Tracy D sending 500 stars.
Thank you so much, Tracy D.
Mod's gone wild.
Ma's Gone Wild this March when they're all on the cruise. They will. And any of you guys want to join us on our next cruise?
I'll be there.
Well, one is BOD can book you guys on a cruise anytime, any place, anywhere on Norwegian if you want to go. Just get a hold of Brian in Denver or Brian, B-R-I-A-N, at 1WON.com. But our big next cruise for everyone, we got like 100 people coming, is in March on the Norwegian Bliss out of LA down to Mexico. So it should be lots of fun. Come on, I want some dynamite. Give us the dynamite. Then we'll go after. There's still another small. I'll tell you how much you want. All right, come on. $340 bonus. Come on. See it? Let's see it. Thank you, Juicy Deucey, 100 stars. Brandon Morales, 2,500 stars. Are we going to see 15 buffalo heads tonight? We might. We got a special buffalo stream tonight. No.
I see.
How many people watched my buffalo stream last night? What an epic stream.
Carl for 500 stars.
Is that crazy, Carl?
Win in the house.
T-win, guys. 3 more. I just need 6 little sticks of dynamite so I can blow the roof off of this boat. You guys better hurry up and share tonight's video. Brian in Denver's ready to give away some holiday cash. And in 10 minutes, he's going to pick his first winner for $1,000 who shared tonight's video. Whoa! Rip-off is what happened. Can you believe that? But the Brian of Denver Brian and Denver scratch tickets on the Big Jackpot slot app.
10 to 15 minutes of that.
10 to 15 minutes will be live, guys. What's it called? Brian's Night Out?
BOD's Big Night Out.
BOD's Big Night Out.
We sold through Christmas Day.
Available through Christmas Day. And we have
Stars.
some Christmas boosters and all sorts of fun stuff. Of course, Patreon perks later on tonight. And welcome all our Facebook sponsors. Now, so many Facebook sponsors. Thank you guys for helping support the crew. You're not supporting my gambling, but you do help support the crew. Hey! All right. Jackpot Jackie. If you guys haven't followed her on Instagram yet, you better. Jackpot Jackie Slots on Instagram. All right, Jackie, hit that play button. Let's see it. Hit the play button, Jackie. And what a great start, Jackie. You did really good. Outdid yourself on that spin.
Come on.
There we go. That's a good one.
Only getting better.
There we go. Look at that, guys. Jackpot Jackie got me all that money.
That's what I do. Come on.
420.
You know about that.
Come on. Ooh, 5 jacks for 50 bucks. Jack. J for Jackie. 100 bucks. And nothing.
Don't. Come on, Dynamite.
Dynamite. Oh, yeah! All right, Jackpot Jackie.
Get it.
Let's do it. Come on. All right. Oh, my God. That's a great start. There we go. On the first spin, that is huge. Second spin, that was a disappointment.
Dynamite Dave.
Yes, that's huge. Well, it's huge if we can get the middle now.
Get it.
Ah, come on. Yeah, all right. Well, it still could be. This is a hand pay, I think. Could be. With this, we got one more spin left. One spin left. All right. Press play. Come on. Come on. 375 or 500. Minor.
Dynamite Dave.
Hey, all right. 250. 250. All right. Press play.
One for Jackie.
How's it going?
Come on.
Yay! Minor $500 more dollars. All right, one more game left. Back to back. Retrigger. Oh, and we got our first hand pay of the night. $1,391.51. All right, back in business and a backup spin. And guys, if it is your first time watching, thank you for joining us. Make sure you hit that follow button. Also, guys, right after this, live on Facebook in about 20 minutes. And then, after Facebook, if there's enough thumbs up tonight on Facebook for good luck, we will go after those 15 buffalo heads again on that third machine that we haven't played yet.
Will there be some secret Patreon live play later?
There could be, you never know.
It might not be a secret if we tell
Huh?
them about it.
I was telling Jonathan it's not going to be a secret we talk about.
Yeah.
But he does on these
Yeah,
trips.
Jonathan, what happens on the boat stays on the boat.
There you go.
On the advice of my counselor,
Well, come on! Ah. 3 more, 2 more. Ah.
We got Doug A watching.
Doug
Is
A.
that Doug attempts to gamble?
Yep, Doug attempts to gamble. Doug A. I can't believe Doug A didn't come on the cruise. I told him to ask his mom for permission. Did Doug figure out what night he's going to have his big karaoke get-together?
I know it's Doug.
Two more, we got this.
Doug, karaoke get together at Underdog.
Oh, Dougie.
Come on, Dougie the boy.
You should change it to Doug F.
Why?
Dougie Fresh.
Dougie Fresh. I like that.
We had Smooth today driving us around the island. He was very smooth.
The ride was fairly smooth.
In 2 minutes, I'll pick up the random name for holiday cash.
Okay, guys, you just hear this.
Sharing right now.
2 minutes, guys. You haven't shared this video yet. In 2 minutes, the first $1,000 holiday cash winner who shared tonight's video.
1,500.
No, 1,000.
Okay.
You want to give away 500 of your own money?
So share away,
I'll tell you
everybody.
what.
Share away.
If I check in their subscriber, Brian and Denver Slots at the same time, I'll get the bonus 500.
Ah, did you guys hear that? If you're a subscriber
I
of
can
Brian
see
at
this
Denver, if you're a subscriber of Brian at
Subscribe
Denver,
today. I'll know. Actually, you have until 2 minutes.
2 minutes, Brian and Denver Slots.
That's right,
Share
guys.
this video.
I'll give it extra 3 minutes, guys.
Okay.
As long as you're a subscriber before I announce it, bonus 500.
Love you too, Jumbo.
come on. Doug, 300 stars. Thank you so much, Doug.
You already subscribed. I hope you subscribed. I did. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, but did you share the video, David, to qualify?
Share it.
The live video. Hey!
Dynamite Dave.
Dynamite Dave! Dynamite Dave, blow it up.
If you
Get it.
feel this
Come
read
on.
out, you're officially done.
Blow it up,
Punch it.
Dynamite Dave.
Dynamite Dave right here. Dave.
Come on.
Yes,
Great start, Dave.
All right, go ahead.
yeah, get it, Dave. Come on.
We do 3 every spin.
Okay, that's good, Dave. That's good.
Yeah.
Get 2 more.
Dynamite Dave in the house. Come on.
Yeah, Dave.
Come on, middle.
Dynamite Dave. Let's do it.
Right here. Right here. Come on.
Come on, Dynamite Dave.
Yes, Dave. Oh my God, Dave.
Either one of them.
BOD never gives me good luck spins like this, Dave.
In the house right now.
All right, that's still good, Dave. That's still good.
Touch it.
Well, Dave, touch it like
For
you love
Jackie
it.
and Scott's.
Hold on, Dave. Wait.
Hold on.
Wait, Dave. Dave, touch it gently.
Caress it.
Caress it, Dave.
Nice doggy. Nice doggy.
All right. 2,000, Dave. 2,500, Dave. Dave, you got me the worst one. Dave, you didn't give me what happened to 2,000,
Good job,
2,500. Good job.
Good job, Dave.
Hold on, wait.
Dynamite Dave.
Try to make it now.
Okay, guys, hold on. All right.